The Coralogix AlertMap allows you to view all of your alarms in a much more scalable way than any other solution on the market. Right now, a typical solution will render all of your alarms as a given tile in a dashboard. This means that if you have, for example, 100 servers and 10 alarms that are grouped by each server, that's 1,000 tiles for a relatively small number of servers and a very small number of alarms. Instead, at Coralogix, we approach the problem from a different angle. We render the groupings, so we will render each server, for example. This allows you to view all of your information, but in a much more scalable and much more information-dense way, which is what Coralogix specializes in. On the UI, you can see various different groupings. These groupings indicate what was defined in an alarm as part of the alert definition process. You can see here that the first grouping is country, and the next grouping is product for this example. If you wish to view the actual names of each node, you can just zoom in. As I hover over each node, you can see that I have 0 triggered alerts and 3 resolved for any of the green tiles. But if I hover over a red node, you'll see that one of the alarms is fired. There are actually 3 alarms that are grouped by the same country and product. So all 3 of those alarms are captured in this UI. This means 3 alarms per node, but still only the number of nodes that you've grouped by. We can see here that we've got 2 alarms defined. So 1 to show that the traffic is volatile, and 1 to show that the average traffic has exceeded 300 milliseconds. This isn't all you can do with the UI. The UI can be filtered to show only triggered or resolved alarms, and you can zoom in on specific alarms that have been defined, for example, the usability. However, one of the more interesting features in Coralogix is that every alert has a label. A label is a way of categorizing the type of alarm that you have. Super powerful, because it means that you can do things like define SLO level alarms. Those SLO alarms can be really important because it means that you can build a dashboard around just your SLOs or around anything else that you decide to categorize your alarms by. This makes this not only a scalable UI, but a very flexible and extensible UI that can be used to visualize problems from a myriad of different areas of your business.